Yo, what's up, guys? So I got some goodies here, and at some point I had some of these on. Like, I think I had these reflectors on at one point. They're still LEDs, but I got them in red instead of the smoked or blacked out ones that are on the car. So going back to that like stock red look, since I got these right here, just regular stock tail lights, brand new from LMR. I think they're only like 70-80 bucks, something like that. And then right here I got studs, not for the rear, I already have those extended. These are for the front. So the reason I'm doing these is because now I have the Brembos in the front, and my front runner, the VMS Skinny, hits the caliper, and if I put a spacer to avoid hitting the caliper, I don't have enough thread on the stud for the lug nut to grab it. So still want to keep the same wheels instead of buying a new set. So this is obviously the cheaper fix, buying studs, extending them, and running a small little spacer. And this right here, I forgot the part number, but I'll put the link into the description for all of this. And this is basically like I guess like a stud installer. Slide this over and it's got like a cone shape right here. You tighten the lug nut and it'll pull the stud onto the hub. So that's that. And then right here, this is actually very old. This SVT badge, my dad bought it for me like years ago, and I just never put it on. And I'm probably gonna get some hate for putting this on, but you know, screw it. It's not a snake, but it's SVT. And I guess my excuse, or like what makes me okay with putting this on, is that I have a lot of parts on the car that are from SVT. Like I have the OEM, you know, parts like the mirrors, I have the rear bumper, I have the front bumper, you know. So like, it's just SVT, special vehicle team, you know. It's not repping the snake, it's repping the team. I don't know, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some hate. It's all good. And then I got this stock OEM brand new Ford badge, and of course got these 5.0 same style badge in chrome to match the wheels. So as you can see, going for like the stock but new look, you know. Got the chrome, and stock color reflector with the stock tail lights. So hopefully it changes the look. Currently in the car, I've got that really ugly beat up Ford emblem and this GT emblem right there. I love this emblem, but I don't think it's gonna flow as well with the red and chrome like color scheme. So, and then also taking these off. I'm not gonna sell them, I'll hold on to them for now. Now I gotta take off all that crap. Alright, so I just finished cleaning it pretty good. Basically what I used is the fishing line. Then I used some WD-40 and the drill with a valve stem backwards, like a rubber eraser wheel, and that helps a lot removing the crap on there. Forgot to mention that I sprayed it with alcohol to finish it off, and then now all I gotta do is put the new emblem. looks good. Look at that chrome flowing together. All right, cool. So I'm basically do the same thing on the other side. So side badges are done now. Time to get rid of this crusty, broken Ford emblem. You can kind of see, I think, where it's like cracked. Let's see, I don't know the focus. Yeah, bottom left corner. And the outside of this is black because I had like plastic dipped it like years ago. So I'm gonna take that one off and then this one and do my best to clean the paint so it's not like super noticeable that it was there. If you look up close, I'm sure it is gonna be noticeable, but I'm gonna try my best to avoid that. Check out the whip, stock tail lights, LED sides. I mean, I had them LED, but they're red now. I missed my car for real with the stock tail lights. Finished pumping some gas, some E. Now gotta hurry up, go change. Gotta hurry up, go change, and then go over to my mom's to celebrate 4th of July. It's also her birthday, so yeah. I was pumping E85 with the car on because my battery doesn't have that much charge right now because the car's just been sitting for a while, obviously. So just put gas with it on. We should be full.